You know that soft, crunchy ice you get at your favorite drive-thru? The kind that soaks up your drink and is actually satisfying to chew. That's the Sonic Ice dream. But getting that quality at home can be hit or miss. Welcome back to Shop Smart. Today we are doing a deep dive into the VIBOFROST Nugget Ice Maker Countertop. We're going to break down the specs, the speed, and the maintenance to finally answer the big questions. Is it good? And is it worth it? If you want to check the current price or grab one for yourself, I've put the direct link right at the top of the description below. And if you want to shop smarter without doing all the heavy lifting, hit that subscribe button. We do the research so you don't have to. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the main reason you are watching this review, the ice itself. The VIBOFROST isn't pumping out standard hard cubes, it specializes in chewable Sonic Ice. Unlike traditional ice that can crack your teeth, this is made of compacted ice layers. It's aerated, soft, and porous, which means it chills your beverage almost instantly and absorbs the flavor of your drink. If you're an ice chewer or you just want to elevate your cocktails, coffee, and sodas, this texture is a total game changer. But texture is only half the battle. Nobody wants to wait hours for ice during a party. According to the performance specs, the VIBOFROST is designed to be ready in 6 to 10 minutes. That's incredibly fast. You turn it on, and within minutes you hear that satisfying sound of the first nuggets dropping. It's also built for volume. This machine is capable of producing over 2,000 ice pellets daily. Whether you have a large family or you're hosting a get-together, this high capacity ensures you aren't running to the gas station to buy bags of ice halfway through the night. Quick pause. If this analysis is helping you decide, please hit the like button. It really helps YouTube show this video to other people who are looking for honest reviews. Now let's talk about the feature that usually ruins ice machines: cleaning. Maintenance is the #1 complaint with countertop ice makers. Mold and mineral buildup are real issues. This is where the VIBOFROST stands out. It features a self-cleaning and an innovative anti-scale system. This anti-scale tech is crucial. It prevents mineral buildup, which extends the life of the machine and keeps your ice tasting fresh, not like stale tap water. Design-wise, it's a looker. It comes in a premium stainless steel black finish that looks sleek and modern. It's compact enough to fit under most cabinets, but stylish enough to display proudly. So let's wrap this up. Considering the speed, the premium stainless steel build, and that high-quality chewable Sonic Ice, is it good? Absolutely. It ticks all the boxes for a high-end home appliance. Is it worth it? If you are someone who buys bags of ice specifically for the texture, or if you entertain often, the convenience and the self-cleaning features make this a solid investment for your kitchen. If you've decided that the VIBOFROST is the right fit for your home, I would really appreciate it if you use the link I left in the description below. It's the same price for you, but it helps support my work here at ShopSmart, allowing me to keep creating these reviews. It means a lot to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thanks for watching and enjoy your ice.